In this video, I'll show you how to fold origami tulips and stems. Use 2 sheets of 6 by 6 inch square paper. For the tulip, fold from corner to corner along the diagonal line of the square. Then fold the triangle in half. Then unfold from the central crease. Then folding the base of the triangle from 2 corners to align with the central crease. Then turn the square over, folding the 2 sides for the profile of the flower. The tulip is ready. Use the other square paper to fold the stem. Fold corner to corner along the diagonal line. Unfold. Next, we'll create a kite fold. Fold in the raw edge along the diagonal crease. Then fold in the other side to complete the kite fold. Then keep folding in the raw edges to make another smaller kite fold. Now make the third kite fold from the 2 longer folded edges. Then fold the shape vertically in half. Because the paper gets thicker, put more pressure to the fold to make a sharp crease. Then fold it horizontally along the center line. Pull out the small tip that's wrapped inside. Then press the bottom to keep it in position. The stem is ready.